Hey guys, today I'm planning to share with you my personal recipe for V8 juice. So I got here celery, 5 tomatoes, 4 carrots, 1 beet, half of lemon, parsley, quarter of green pepper, and just a little bit of onion because I'd like to have it spicy. So I'd like to run it through my juicer and you'll see what's gonna happen. And here you have it. This is the real V8. Let's try it. Yeah, perfect. Just a little bit spicy. That's perfect. Cheers! Aloha YouTube! It's me again, and it's my day 14 of 100-day juice fast. 2 weeks gone, and I feel pretty good. Not about the weeks, but about my juice fast. So it's pretty stable, feel great, and like I said yesterday, I have juice all the way, all the time. And I will show you today my apple carrot recipe, and that would be my juice of the day. So let's do the measurements. Today I know how to measure myself properly. So it is my neck 16.25, my arm 13.25, my chest 45 5/8, my stomach 45 7/8, my hips 45 3/4, and let's do some pictures. Okay, that would be it, and I will see you in a sec with my weight measurements. Okay, it's January 14th, 2017, and it's my day 14 of my 100-day juice fast. So let's take a look. Ta-da. 234, 2 pounds up, and that's because of juices. I'm gaining weight.